Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to clear cache and cookies in Google Chrome on your laptop or PC. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots stacked on top of each other, which is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will take you to Chrome's settings page where you can manage everything from your appearance preferences to privacy controls. The settings page is your control center for customizing how Chrome works for you. Now, once you're in the settings area, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a navigation menu with different categories. Click on Privacy and Security from this left sidebar. This section contains all the tools you need to manage your browsing data, control site permissions, and adjust security features that protect your online activity. Within the Privacy and Security section, you'll find an option that says Delete Browsing Data. Click on it to proceed. This is the feature that allows you to remove various types of stored information from your browser, helping improve performance and protect your privacy. A new window or panel will appear with different options for what you want to delete. You'll see a basic tab, but you need more control here. Click on More to expand your options and see all available data types. Next, look for the Time Range drop-down menu and click All Time. This ensures you're clearing all cache data and cookies from the very beginning, not just from the past hour or day. Now, this is where you need to be selective about what you're deleting. You'll see several checkboxes for different types of data. First, uncheck the box next to Browsing History if it's selected. You want to keep your browsing history intact for now, so make sure this option is not checked. Next, check the box next to Cookies and Other Site Data. This will remove all the cookies that websites have stored on your browser, which track your activity and preferences. Then, also check the box for Cached Images and Files. This removes temporary files that Chrome stores to load websites faster, but these can pile up and slow down your browser over time. With your selections made, click the Delete Data button. Chrome will now begin removing the cookies and cached files you selected. This process usually takes just a few seconds, but give it a moment to complete. Once it's done, your cache and cookies will be cleared, which can help speed up your browser and resolve any loading issues you might have been experiencing. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your cache and cookies in Google Chrome. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.